Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials: the exact device and OS build, plus the account tied to messages so you know where notifications may be stored. Once that's confirmed, open Settings and navigate straight to Notifications and Notification History. Some systems keep a temporary log. If the app that delivered the cleared alerts is unresponsive, force stop at first. But do not clear app data yet, because that erases any recoverable state. This sequence preserves potential caches while you proceed. Once you've preserved state, enable Notification History or a similar system log so future items are saved. Next, grant notification access and review per app channels. Make sure sound, pop-ups, lock screen, and priority are enabled for the apps that matter. Also allow background activity and auto-start so apps can redeliver missed alerts. For apps with archives, email, messaging, social, open each app and restore archived or hidden messages. This often re-triggers system notifications that were cleared. Finish by sending yourself a test notification to confirm everything works. Adjust channels or priority as needed. If notifications still don't appear, clear the app cache, not data, and reboot the device to refresh system services. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and battery optimization or data saver isn't blocking background delivery. If problems persist, revoke and re-grant notification and auto-start permissions for the app. That often restores the pipeline. Key tip: if nothing works, temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.